A French year starts on January 1st and ends on December 31st. Every year, at least so far. But what happens in between these two dates? What month do we have? What do we say about them? What happens there? How many months do we have? Spoiler, it's 12. I'm Géraldine. Bienvenue sur Comme une Française TV. Sound French, even to the French. L'hiver is winter. L'hiver, it's une saison. Une saison, a season. There are 3 months in winter. Décembre, décembre or December, janvier, janvier, January, and février, février, February. By the way, most of the time we don't use capitals for the month of the year in French, contrary to the English system. For example, mon ami est né le 18 février. Mon ami est né le 18 février. My friend was born on February the 18th. Winter is time for le froid, cold, or even la neige, snow. The nights are long and cold, but all is not dark. In the middle of winter, we have Noël, Christmas, and le Nouvel An, New Year's Eve. Many cultures and religions in France have their own celebrations as well, and that's why we tend to call these few weeks of late December and early January les fêtes. Les fêtes, the celebrations or the holidays. For example, désolé, notre magasin sera fermé pour les fêtes. Désolé, notre magasin sera fermé pour les fêtes. Sorry, our store will be closed for the holidays. Le printemps is spring. It's also a famous French department store, un grand magasin, like les Galeries Lafayette, for instance. Les Galeries Lafayette. The 3 months of le printemps are March, Avril for April, and May for May. Les flowers, flowers are starting to grow on trees as the snow melts. But now you also have to face la pluie, the rain, especially in March where we have les giboulées de Mars, that are violent blasts of rain and wind or sleet. Avril might look warmer, but be careful. As the saying goes, en avril, ne te découvre pas d'un fil. En avril, ne te découvre pas d'un fil. In April, keep all your clothes on. The weather might still give you a cold if you are careless. Luckily, we say in May, en mai, fais ce qu'il te plaît. En mai, fais ce qu'il te plaît. In May, you finally do whatever you want. Winter is now just a memory and summer is almost here. L'été is of course summer. The 3 months of l'été are mostly juin, June, juillet, July, and août, August. I mean, technically summer ends on the 21st of September, but the mood has changed by then. Because fundamentally, summer is the season for les grandes vacances, the summer holidays. I've talked about them for longer in a previous episode that you will find as usual on the video description on the blog. Did I tell you that you can subscribe there as well to start a 10-day French conversation crash course immediately that will show you how to be classy, polite, smart, and funny in French all year long, and that it's free? Well, anyway, there are stereotypically 2 types of people on holiday in France. Les juilletistes, those who leave their home in July to go to the beach or somewhere sunnier, and les Haussiens, those who choose August to do so. If they're lucky, they will get to enjoy the perfect weather. If they're not, they might face un été pourri, a rotten summer, cold and rainy, or in the opposite direction, la canicule, a heat wave. These are happening more and more frequently in France. And before you get too comfortable in your espadrille by the ocean, it's time to get back to work. L'automn, autumn or fall is mainly made of September, October, and November, November. The autumn leaves drift by the window, the wind starts thinking about winter again, and worst of all, it's time for la rentrée des classes. La rentrée des classes, the back to school season. For those who don't go to school, it's still la rentrée, the back from holiday season. Some people go and work at les vendanges, the harvest grape for the winemaking. It's quite a common student job, for instance, and it might be a simple way to make some money if you're ready to work hard for a few weeks. But the main silver lining of the season is l'été indien. L'été indien, the warmer weather in the middle of the season that happens sometimes in France as well. There's also a really famous song with this name that you will find in the video description on the blog. Et toi, which is your favorite month of the year and why? Tell me in the comment section in French if you're there. I would love to hear from you. If you're on YouTube, you will find a link below this video to the blog comeinfrancaise.com. On the site, I read all the comments and answer all your questions as well. Do you want more, like an exclusive lesson on how to use grocery lists and day-to-day tricks to improve your French? Subscribe now to join my everyday French crash course. It's a free 10-day mini course to sound French, even to the French. It's super easy to join. Leave me your first name and your email and you will receive lesson 1 immediately. And best of all, it's all free. Merci for watching Comme une Française TV, sound French even to the French. Allez, salut!